Let's see how I lash the bottom layer of lashes. I start by detacking the tape, only in the middle where it's going to contact the lashes, but leaving the ends sticky to attach to the skin.
Waking up to a symphony of sound. In the morning light, birds are singing round. Their melodies carry through the air, a sweet reminder that a new day is here. With every note, a chorus of hope. They fill my heart, making me feel so alive. Their joyful tunes bring a smile.
Before moving any section with tape, I always make sure the adhesive is completely dry. This helps prevent stickies and keeps the lash line moving freely. When it's time to remove the tape, I support the skin and peel slowly to avoid pulling on the natural lashes and tugging on the skin. Then I simply move to the next section and repeat the process.
To my face, embracing the beauty of this new day's embrace. Birds are chirping so melodiously, a song of joy and possibility. They tell me it's time to spread my wings, let the world hear what my heart sings.
Here you can see the different layers of the natural lash line. Most clients have an average of 3 layers, top, middle, and bottom, but I've seen as many as 6 layers and as few as 2. This is one reason lashes can look so much fuller when every layer is addressed. For inner corners, I'll use tape to gently pull the area outward for better visibility and isolation. Those inner corners are probably the most difficult to lash, so this helps a lot with visibility. I like to lift the eyelid occasionally to confirm that the lashes I'm working on are from the top lid only and have not popped out from the tape on the bottom lashes. And when I'm working in a smaller section with the tape, I'm constantly checking for stickies before moving on to another section. The little details may not look exciting, but they're what create a clean, comfortable, full density lash set.